everybody. Today is Monday, September the 1st, 2014. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the daily Elliottwave video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. All right. Well, first and foremost, happy Labor Day, everyone. Hope those of you guys who are celebrating have a safe and enjoyable one. Just before we dive into the markets, let's look at performance for this past month for August. Okay, as we look at the manual trades alone, another profitable month, just up shy of 2%, extending the 3-month gain. Okay, from April down 2%, but since then very prosperous. May 1.9, June we had a soaring month of 15.88%, followed by 2.6 and 1.98. If we take a look at the currency popularity for the month of August, we see that we took most of the trades with the euro dollar up about 10 trades. Very different from those who've been following me for quite some time. I used to stay away from it, but now getting into the pair and grabbing a few pips here and there, starting to get better and better at doing. In terms of the average holding time, you can say the average holding time is about 2 days. All right. So for those of you guys who always are curious and looking at our average holding time, indeed it is about 2 days. Okay. So very prosperous so far. Let's continue to extend those gains for the last quarter as September starts and take it from there. Meanwhile, you guys are all aware of our addition to Global, which has been adding more strategies. Okay, if you are interested in this strategy or others that we have, please don't hesitate to contact me on Skype. My Skype name is wtcg.mike, or just feel free to email us at either info@globalfxclub.com or trade@rightinv.com. Both are the same, so you can email whichever one you feel more comfortable. But as you can see, very different from the manual trade only. Just so you know, this one here pulls a strategy mixed with our manual trades. Okay. So if you're wondering, these are the same trades we take on Global, but then added on to the euro dollar strategy. Indeed, you are seeing 148 trades taken, but then you are seeing a profitable month of 11.38% for the month of August, whereas just manual alone was about almost 2%. So profitable on both spheres. Okay, and we'll continue to showcase that going forward, but just something that is noteworthy. Again, if you're interested, just feel free to contact me at either which I said before. All right, so with that being said, let's dive into the markets, because indeed we are into positions. The first position, stops on this pound Aussie are already at break even. Okay, let's wait for us to load. So we got short on this breakout, and we are continuing to look for further downside price action in the pair. All right, as long as we remain capped by 179, bears favored for the pound Aussie. Let's look at it on the daily time frame, and the only let's show you guys here. See, so we had a nice clean breakout of what appears to have been a triangle, and the only base right now that we will look for prices to break through is that 177.20 area. Tumble below that zone will provide some bearish momentum for the pair and look much lower into that 165 area. Another key reason which we like the pound Aussie for shorts is because we do still favor Aussie dollar for longs. Okay, we did get stopped out of this pair at actually we closed it for slight profit for August, and this is not bad either. Even if we get long close to here, you can have 93 stops and then look to target 94.20. So may actually go ahead and pull the trade after this video. For those who are members, you will get the updates across the board via email, SMS, the chat rooms, the Skype signal room, and etc. All right. So in any case, looking for some further topside movement in the Aussie dollar, possibly to 94.20. That's about 80 pips higher before a reversal in the pair. With that being said, that still gives further downside cues for the pound Aussie. Meanwhile, though, we are in a Aussie cash short, so we'll see how this pair plays out. Aussie CAD, in my opinion, a nice breakout to the downside. These are both commodity currencies, so we'll see which one plays to be stronger. But from a straight technical standpoint, Aussie CAD is favored to the downside, and if we open up the time frame for this pair, we also like the fact that ascending trend line, so one cap, but then also the minor breakout that we show here.
Taking note, then we look for downside moves to the 99 zone. All right, this from an Elliottwave standpoint, you can mark this as A, B, W, X, Y, a larger A wave, a larger B wave. Now we look for a C. So let me go ahead and I'll label that for you guys. Larger A, larger B, and then we look for a C down near that 197 area. All right. There goes your A, your B, and then 97, 98. That will make it a measured move. All right, A equals C for those of you all who are aware. Really do like the setup. I'm only going to target this trend line because then from there I believe we could possibly see a bounce. If I could re-enter, so if it does play out where that it meets a double bottom plus this trend line for support, then bounces, I will look for areas to try to get short again, or I'll just be patient and wait for a breakout to the downside of that floor before looking to re-enter. So that's my game plan, staying short for now. Eyeing the 99.40 area to exit, and then looking to re-enter on a clear breakout. Staying with the pound Aussie, and may take the Aussie dollar. We'll see how things play out with these pairs. Looking at some other pairs though, dollar yen, nice clean breakout to the top side. We did get stopped out of this one for August too, so we were up slightly a little bit more, but they get stopped out. That's fine. Still ended off profitable, and that's really our main concern with trading at all. Is just remaining profitable for the time period, and our time period is for the month. Gonna stay away from the dollar yen for now and see how things develop. Okay, because looking at the yen futures though, all right, yen futures, you could call this a double bottom. You can, as of late at least, breaking through that A equals C move. We do want to see how the day plays out. Again, today's a holiday, so Expecting liquidity to be fairly light throughout the day. So you'll see a lot of updates from us. And then let's wait until tomorrow, being Tuesday, for some clear patterns as traders, especially in the New York area, begin to come back online. All right, guys, so that's it for now. I'll post some setups in the chat rooms, Skype, etc. And if you have any questions or want to chat, feel free to Skype me anytime. I'm pretty much always online. Again, my Skype is wtcg.mike. Again, enjoy your day and have a safe and profitable day. All right, guys. Cheers. Talk to you soon.